From load planning to predictive maintenance, from crash probability to climate impact, AI has the ability to improve many facets of fleet management.
AI has really entered a lot of the different facets of fleet management. I mean, everything from load planning to service predictions of where to deploy your fleet. One of the places it's really made a big impact for fleet operators is around maintenance. Some of the AI today is about replacing parts on vehicles before they break. And if you ignore that, what happens is in 100 miles, you're replacing the part because it broke. Um, so there's a lot of going on around AI. Of course, the newest area really is around crash, where we work with is crash probability and climate impact. Um, I think climate impact is probably one of the more exciting new areas because it gives so much more insight to the fleet operator of how they're performing from a climate standpoint rather than just trying to measure fuel consumption. They're really getting an in-depth look at how the vehicle is being operated, where it's being operated, those types of things. Um, I think for those fleet operators that aren't getting uh, this type of product development within their current vendors and their current providers, they really need to be asking for it because the upgrades are substantial and it really helps the fleet operator with their day-to-day operation. It helps them better understand what's going on in the fleet. And it certainly helps them much prepare for what's coming down the pike from a climate standpoint, from a safety standpoint, and obviously it's what they need to be ahead of the game as far as operations goes.